guys, and welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So in this video we're going to be doing a pack with me, and this is very special because it was my birthday and I went to Cuba for 5 nights. Your girl always take a carry-on. I am not a check bag type of girl. I ain't spending no extra coins. I had to actually get a bunch of things to make sure that I knew how to pack. You really gotta know how to pack when you are packing a carry-on, especially for 4 nights. You gotta be very smart about it. And one very smart thing that I learned early on is perfumes. You do not want to be carrying those big bulky ones, but you kind of don't want to be carrying them little bitty ones either, because you don't know how much you're gonna be spraying yourself and you like that perfume. So, I actually have been loving Scentbird, and they did sponsor this video, and I do want to share some scents with you guys because I love Scentbird. If you're not familiar with them, it's actually a subscription service for perfumes, and if you use my code below, you will actually get 30% off. So, I got you. So, I do have 4 new scents, and these are the scents that I sent with me to Cuba. And you guys know, if you don't know, you probably don't if you're new to my channel, I love Prada Candy. Like, Prada Candy is my scent. That's it. And I always get them to send me some through their Scentbird membership. So you just pull these out. And this is actually Prada Candy. This is my favorite one. It smells like very nice and lightweight, and it adapts to everybody's skin. So like, me smelling like it will be completely different from you smelling like it. It's so different, y'all, and I don't know how to explain it. I'm the worst at smelling the scents of perfumes, but this one is my favorite. I've talked about it before, so we're not going to stay on that one, but I do got a few other scents that I have been loving recently, and they sent it to me, and I've been wanting this one for so long, you guys. This is Gurlll, and I heard people talk about this one, and I smelt it. Like, this is grown woman. This is right here is for like really special occasion. My Prada Candy is like my everyday, spray it on, you smell delicious. But this is like special occasion. You're about to walk in the room and you want people to smell what you got on. Like, Gurlll is everything. And if you're not familiar with their packaging, they have these cute little packagings that just kind of, you just screw it up and you spray and you're good to go. These are TSA friendly, so packing with these are a breeze. Bars. Okay, moving on. I also have Versace Crystal Noir. I don't know how to say noir. N-O-I-R. Noir, whatever. This is by Versace. I like Versace perfumes. I actually have another one from them. It smells delicious, but let's go ahead and spray that. This one is definitely a special occasion too. It has a strong scent. You don't want to go ham. Like with my Prada Candy, I can spray everywhere, and I'd be fine. But this perfume, 1, 2. 1, 2. Do not try to murder people with the scent, y'all. If you are looking for a nice, like, birthday scent or something for a special occasion, you're going on an event, that is the one you want to get. Those are the ones you want to get. I love those. And the last one that I got is Vince Camuto Terra. I think that's how you say it. And I researched this one before I purchased it. Well, before I sent it through Scentbird. But this is actually more of a floral scent, and I have been loving floral scents lately, but not too florally. This is another one that I feel like I can spray on every single day. Not too much, just like put it on your clothes, but you walk out and it's just florally fresh scent. That's all I wanted. This is a nice, fresh scent. I absolutely love it. This would be my everyday one along with my Prada one, but the Gucci one and the Versace one is for special occasions. Whew. Now that I got that out of the way, if you are interested in Scentbird, make sure you check the description bar below. Absolutely love it. And you can put in your own perfumes. Whatever your favorite perfumes and colognes are, you can put it through Scentbird and they will have you a nice travel size. I just thought that was amazing. So let's just go ahead and hop right into the pack with me video because I know you guys are waiting for it. Okay. Hello, you guys. So welcome to my pack with me video. So I am packing, you guys. I know y'all might hear like a stupid echo because I'm in my living room and we are about to get it popping because I like to pack in my living room, you guys. I don't know if it's just me, but I have more space down here and I just really like to space everything out. I like to think about where I'm going, the itinerary for the actual trip. I like to think about all that when I'm packing because that is very important when you are trying to do a carry-on only bag. You need to actually know what items that you want to bring, and then we're gonna consolidate everything. So let me show you guys what I'm working with right now. So as you can see, I put like all of my stuff like around my living room, and I just start off with my bags. Now these are actually some dividers. I don't know. So first you want to make sure you get some packing cubes. This is so important, you guys. This packing cube came with 3 different cubes and I love it. This is how you're gonna separate all your clothes and get it to fit nice and even, because the very key thing to doing a carry-on is to compartmentalize everything. Is that a word? Compartmentalize? Whatever, you guys know what I'm trying to say. You need to make sure that you have a place for everything, and these packing cubes are perfect for that. Then I have, this is just an old bag that my mom gave me, but it has ton of little storage, and I like to put like toothbrushes and like some, you know, toiletry things in there. This, my friend, is my makeup bag that also fits a ton of toiletries. Like sometimes I don't even have to take this one because this one is just as great. And I'm gonna link this stuff in the description bar because most of this stuff actually comes from Amazon. This right here came from Amazon as well, and it is so bomb. All the compartments and stuff that's in it, it just fits so much makeup. As you can see, it's dirty, but I can put my brushes in here. This is the plastic side for like things that may spill. And then you have this, which expands, it like unzips. It's just amazing, you guys. Can fit a lot in here, and it's very flat. And it also has the little, you know, hanger thing for when you get to your destination to like unpack or whatever. So I really love this. This is my new like carry-on bag thing that I'm gonna put over my suitcase. That's my suitcase there. So this is like my carry-on bag that I'm going to put with it, and it has a department down here that you can put shoes on, and I'm like, this is legit bomb. So if you guys are looking for another like overnight bag or something, another carry-on bag type of item, we're gonna put this one to the test. I'm gonna pack this thing full. You guys, all I have is a carry-on. Like, I'm going to Cuba for 5 nights and I only have a carry-on. So I've also kind of put everything in category. As you can see, I have all of my swimsuits and stuff right here. Those are some cover-ups. And then I have all of my maxi dresses here, my night out dresses here, and just my casual wear over here. And then I have like 2, you know the style, little bustier stuff that can go with the jeans or the shorts. Like, I like to have a few options for that, but what you want to do is just make sure you cater your packing to your itinerary, okay? I'm gonna be there for 5 nights, and I have some excursions planned, and we actually have a pool, so that's why I brought so many swimsuits. So you definitely want to cater it to that. But as you can see, everything is kind of sectioned off in its own little section. So now you also want to make sure that you have all of your toiletries and all of that in order. Now we are going to go through that, but I'm going to go ahead and go upstairs and grab everything, and then I'm going to show you guys how I put everything out on the table, and then I pack everything. So let me show you guys. Okay, you guys, so I am super tired now, but these are all of my clothes. I have my dresses all in here, casual clothes here, swimsuits in here. So I'm just waiting to zip all that up. Got 2 cover-ups here. I gotta put my makeup and stuff in there. These are just like bags for different stuff. I fit 3 pair of shoes down here, well, some flats and 2 pair of heels. And this is at the bottom of my carry-on bag. And I have some sneakers here because we are going zip lining, and then some underwear is here. So after I go ahead and zip all these up, I'm gonna go ahead and add them to the suitcase. I just have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff right here. Just a lot of little doodads and stuff. I got my shower cap. I have a little head thing to go over my braids. This is a satin pillowcase, some stickies, a little visor, my African sponge, and body wash. Also, this is to take my makeup off. Got some sunglasses, all of my Scentbird perfumes. I'm gonna put them in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack those. Toothpaste, toothbrush, and then some more miscellaneous things. You need some sunscreen, deodorant, all that good stuff. And this is my face wash. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff in this bag along with my makeup. All of this is gonna go in here. Okay, you guys, so I have all of my clothes in here, and I have more room, as you can see, to put my makeup bag right here. So So I have that one. That bag isn't really full, so I'm gonna throw some more stuff in there. But I do have all of my makeup laid out. This is how I lay out my makeup. So I put it in order of how I apply my makeup, and then I make sure I have the corresponding brushes. So as you can see, I have my foundation brushes, and then I have the powder as well, and I try to line that up. This is what I am going to use to set my foundation, and then concealer brushes, concealers used to set concealer, bronzing, contour. You guys get the point. And so it just makes sure that I have all of my brushes for everything. I lay it all out, and now I'm gonna put everything in this bag, but I do have to wash these brushes, so I'm about to go ahead and wash them, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply everything to here. Now I do have those other toiletries in here as well, so everything that you saw on the table earlier I have already put in this bag, and as you can see, it expands and there is actually nothing in the inside, and that is where all my makeup is gonna go. So yeah.
At 2 a.m. with no aim or clear direction, an outcast with no connection, in a land I don't call home. In excitement for this chance to tour the stars, packed my bags and my essentials, yet somehow I left my heart. No need for these aliens.
Alright you guys, so all of my makeup is in here, brushes right here. And all I have to do is zip this up and add it to my suitcase. Good deal. Okay, so I didn't have a real ending to this video. I forgot to film it, y'all. I was super late when I was packing. I love to pack, honestly. I love to get all of those clothes in one thing. Those packing cubes are important. The actual bag that I use as my extra bag, my under the flight seat bag, Amazon. And that thing right there, it holds a lot of shoes at that bottom. So just think about not putting shoes in your suitcase, how much room you'll actually have in your suitcase. You'll know them shoes really take up space. So yeah, I just neglected putting shoes in my suitcase, except for my sneakers. I did put those in the suitcase, but you can actually put those under there. But I didn't even use any of my heels, so I could have had more space, but I didn't even need more space. I felt like everything that I had was great, and I had more space to do anything. I could have brought back some stuff if I wanted to, but the trip ain't go that way. So if you are interested in seeing how that trip went, I'm gonna have my vlog come up next. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you got any tips from it. If you have any additional tips on how you pack, your favorite suitcase, or anything like that, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Also, make sure you check out Scentbird, because I feel like traveling with perfumes, you just can't not use Scentbird now. Like, you just look trashy, sis. Go ahead and stop with little samples. Go ahead and get you some nice color-coded perfumes. Yes, I've been with Scentbird for years, okay? So get you some of these. They come in all kind of colors. Love me some Scentbird. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
In excitement for this chance to tour the stars, packed my bags and my essentials, yet somehow